How to make salad olivier. For this recipe, I used one potato, one carrot, a little bit less than half an onion, two pickles, two eggs, 3 tablespoons of canned peas, and I don't know how to measure the meat I've used. Before you start anything, place your pot on high to boil. Once it's boiled, throw in your potato and your carrots. It shows I did 2 carrots here. In reality, I just used one. I did some dicing, not recorded, but uh, when your boiled water is boiling, you add in your eggs. Make sure they're room temp though, otherwise they're gonna crack. When picking up pickles you want for your recipe, you want the bottle to say full sour pickles. Besides that, you can pick if you want it to be dilled or no, it doesn't matter. We felt enlightened, but we were just high and lost control. Painted with primer, just so hides the canvas, forced to commit a crime of passion with a knife held to my throat. Seen it. After boiling the potatoes and the carrots and the egg, you want to clean off their skins, which would be much easier when they're all cooked up. They easily just peel off. And continue to dice them. Once you finish dicing everything up, you want to put it into a medium-sized bowl. At least that's how much my recipe I used today would provide for me. It's not that much, but if you want more, a rule of thumb is go off the amount of potatoes you have and increase quantities of other things. So if you were to have like 4 potatoes, you'll probably use like 2.5 carrots, maybe a whole onion, 6 pickles, or it depends on how big they are, and so on. The amount of mayo and peas I put into this part of the recipe, peas like about 3-ish tablespoons were dropped into the bowl, and I mixed that up before adding in salt and pepper. Measure to your heart's degree for that. Don't add in too much, but don't add in too little. There's not really a set quantity. Again, the recipe is really just based off mind and heart. And then for the mayo, I think I added in like 4 to 6 tablespoons of mayo, and I mix that all in, and you're done. Very easy, just lots of dicing.
Nasıl